What's up guys, and it's official. Apple has announced their new event which will take place on September the 15th. It's been completely official. Mark Gurman was indeed right. Apple did not announce the new iPad or the new Apple Watch. Instead, they've announced and made their event official. It seems like everyone is expecting Apple to announce the iPhone 12 on September 15th, but Mark Gurman himself has said that the iPhone 12 won't be the part of this event. Instead, Apple will announce iPad Air 4 along with the Apple Watch Series 6 and possibly some other products, but not the iPhone 12, which is quite odd since this event is announced as a special event. Also, Apple has a history of announcing their iPhones in the month of September. People are also pointing out that 2 hours for just the watch and the iPad doesn't really make that much sense. Also, this Apple logo Tease has revealed some interesting details. If you actually open up this website on your iPhone, you can see that it shows off this cool AR implementation, which is a tease for the LiDAR sensor that we're going to see on the iPhone 12 Pro models. It's going to take the AR game to the next level. Also, the fact that the Apple logo is in the blue color means that it kind of confirms the navy blue color that we're going to see on the iPhone 12 models. The Apple logo is also drawn by a pencil, which highlights that the new iPad is coming, and the way it's twisting around, that may be a tease for the new Watch Series 6. There's also a teasing tagline that says "Time flies." A lot of people are saying that this is highlighting the time of flight sensor, aka LiDAR sensor, that we're going to see on the iPhone 12 models. So many things can be analyzed by just this tease. Again, nothing is confirmed. Apple might pull a surprise on everyone. There's always that uncertainty, which is super exciting. Anything can happen on September 15th. Now, Apple has confirmed officially that Apple devices will be delayed till October. We've also heard that the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max, these two models, can even be delayed till November. According to a new report coming from Nikkei.com, Apple will be going full mass production mode for the iPhone 12 series this month, which again completely follows the leaks and rumors that iPhone 12 devices will come next month. One thing that's been further mentioned is that AirTags are actually in full production, which means that it's almost confirmed to be launched alongside the iPhone 12 series, but if not, we might see them being announced on September 15th. So it is expected that the Apple Watch Series 6 and iPad Air 4 will be announced on September 15th, plus some other exciting things. Whether we see iPhone 12 models or not, we're not completely sure, but if we do get to see the iPhone 12 series, it's going to be 4 models, the largest iPhone flagship lineup ever. There's a new report published from Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives, and he says that the iPhone 12 lineup could be once in a decade iPhone launch, making it as successful as the iPhone 6 from 2014. He further reports that Apple and its supply chain partners are actually anticipating a huge demand for the iPhone 12 Pro Max model. It's going to be having the biggest screen of any iPhone, coming at 6.7 inches, and of course with the fastest millimeter 5G wave. His report also further confirms what we have heard from Bloomberg, that Apple is indeed planning for an 80 million units shipment, which is absolutely insane. To give you guys a quick recap, we have 5.4-inch iPhone 12, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Plus, 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro, and 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. All models will offer 5G, Apple A14 processor, new improved camera, new design with the iPhone 5 style boxy premium look. There will be some features exclusive to the Pro lineup, like the slightly better design, a LiDAR sensor, a telephoto lens. The cameras are said to be 10% bigger, new night mode, insane video features with 4K videos up to 240 frames per second and 120 frames per second. As for 120Hz refresh rate, it's not entirely dead. The iPhone 12 Pro Max still could pack this feature. Fingers are crossed, everything will be further confirmed in the coming days. And perhaps the biggest controversy will be the elimination of charger and the headphones from the box. It's going to be a very unique unboxing experience. As for the pricing, the iPhone 12 lineup will keep the same starting price as the last year's iPhone 11 series. So super excited for the September 15th event. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think Apple will go all the way and unveil the iPhone 12 series? Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.